Hi there, everyone. A warm welcome to SPAX TV. My name's Uli, and I'd like to show you a couple of SPAX products that you haven't seen before. Most of you will know SPAX as a developer and manufacturer of high-quality screws, especially for wood construction, but it's got much more up its sleeve. This here is the SPAX joist hanger in its short version, which is part of the SPAX wood connector range. It looks a little different from other joist hangers you may be used to. This version here, for instance, is just 1.5 millimeters thick, so it saves a whole lot of weight when it comes to storage and transport. But it still has the same load capacity as a joist hanger with 2 millimeter thick sheeting. This SPAX joist hanger also has these two little locator prongs at the front. They help you attach the hanger before you nail or screw it into position. I'll show how in a moment. And then you can see this beading on the sides. It helps to stiffen the joist hanger even more. As you know, joist hangers are used to join secondary beams to main beams, and the SPAX joist hanger is not only approved for solid wood, but also OSB panels, and that applies both in the version where the OSB panel stands on its own and bears the load, and where it serves as a so-called intermediate layer. So in other words, you fasten the joist hanger through the panel into the load-bearing wood below. Now I've got another little detail to show you. Some of the punched holes have a small ring here, and this ring means that I need to drive a nail or fasten a screw through this hole to achieve approved partial nailing. This means that you no longer have to find that out or calculate it yourself. The SPAX joist hanger brings all of that with it. The joist hanger is fastened either with SPAX wood connector screws or SPAX connector nails. However, only SPAX wood connector screws are approved for OSB panels. For fastening to concrete, you've got these four 11 millimeter holes here, which is the precise fit for anchors and concrete screws. Now let's turn to the locator prongs I mentioned before. You position the joist hanger where you want it, and then you just give it a little tap with the hammer up here. Now it's attached, and you have your hands free to screw and nail it all in. And that's what I'll do now. So this is the beading I just showed you on the side here, and the reason for it is that when you insert the secondary beam in the SPAX joist hanger, this joint is not only able to withstand vertical pressure, but also if the secondary beam falls to the side. So that's what these stiffeners and beading are for. If you look here, you can see that the joist hanger has a very short design. The support surface is just 50 millimeters, and this is so that it completely disappears in a service cavity that you build in front of the load-bearing wall. And then you can't see it anymore. So, dear SPAX TV viewers, that's about it with the SPAX joist hanger in its short version. But there's lots more to find out about our range. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up or a like, or better still, subscribe to our channel. All the best, and see you soon.